Hey guys, it's Marcus from NW Cars. Today I would like to show you the Barbie Monster Vette, the new monster truck for 2021. The reason why I show you this monster truck today, on the internet there be some pictures, opinion, there is a special monster truck. So let's have a look and consider that. Opening the box and yep, so the pictures they not be fake. We can find inside the low production circle with flame gold Hot Wheels symbol. So does it mean that normally there is a super treasure hunt mark on the symbol? So let's have a look closer to the car. The funny things, they do the silicone blue car right now. I prefer this more than previous green plastic one. Alright, so we got the car, the tires, and if you see the back bumper on the corner left and right, so for both sides we go low production symbol as well. So it's very interesting because I don't have the information before. So is it true? Is the first super treasure hunt or treasure hunt from monster truck series? If you got any information, I'd be really appreciate to leave the comment below, because to be honest it's very interesting, this golden low production symbol inside the box. So thanks for watching, be safe and see you in next video.